The vibe today has been very hyper. It's absolutely wonderful. Everyone's happy, everyone's having a good look around and a good chat.
It's been amazing. So many people coming through, and it's great seeing everybody enjoying themselves.
I've really enjoyed meeting everybody, and everyone's coming in with big smiles.
I got to meet a lot of interesting participants and also various providers, so it has been really great.
When we first got here, the energy in the room was buzzing. As the day progressed, the energy just kept climbing because everyone was so excited to share the information they had.
The vibe at the Expo has been very busy and very productive for our company. We've had a lot of inquiries. It was very good to be here.
The Expo and events like this are so important because it's an opportunity for people to come together. And I think that when we can share stories, we create those ripples of connection. When we connect with each other, we can problem solve together, we lift each other up, and we let people know that we're not alone. There's always somebody out there who can help.
Coming to an event like this makes people actually realize that they're not alone on their journeys and see what is out there for them to get a better outcome. That's what this is all about. It's about learning what is and can be.
We love the fact that it's community-based and it's for the people. You can come and find as many providers as you'd like. It's easy enough for anyone to pick up a phone or send an email. But if you're not here, if you're not out and about, you miss capturing that connection with people.
Expos like this give them choice and control. It allows them so many different areas to look at and things they weren't sure were available.
They're able to come out and see the products and services for themselves. They're not reading about it online. They're actually being able to come and have a conversation with the people that can offer those services directly.
People are very grateful for this event and people are enjoying being able to come talk to different providers, different health organisations and just get some of the supports that they may need.
Change that I hope to see from events like this is that people realise the power of community, that people realise that we don't have to do everything alone, that there's no shame in asking for help and that independence doesn't mean going it alone. It's about connecting with others, exploring opportunities and really finding what works best for us, shaping our own future, shaping our own destiny.